Today I'm going to show you what I do with my leftover resin. I have a bunch of these smaller, thinner molds like this pink one, and these are more like for decoration. So for this pink one, I'm planning to do like an album cover, a journal album cover, and these are perfect for smaller amount of leftover resin. But whenever it's just a tiny bit left of your resin mix, it gets hard very fast. So as you can see, it's not pouring as fast as it should because it started curing. So that pink one is done. And then I still had some clear left. And to this, I added the Pina white white coloring paste. And it's pretty strong. And I'm going to attempt to make a koi. So I have a orange mica powder here. And I'm taking a brush, dipping it in, tapping off excess. And some kois are white with orange spots on it. So I'm gonna do some orange spots. So randomly here and there, just very slightly add some mica powder to it, whatever color you like. There's some with like orange with black spots too. But I think the size of this is perfect. So just adding some little orange spots here and there. This is like a perfect way to color resin. And then pouring in the white one, because this white one had more resin in it, it's pouring a little faster than the pink one. But there's a lot of small details, so you do have to be kind of careful with it. I'm gonna try to find links for Amazon for like small little ones because I love these, especially when it's like silver or gold. So beautiful. And then I also found a super tiny koi fish. I'm just gonna test how this mold turns out. So just going in slightly. So this mold I think this mold was a gift. I don't know why I would purchase something so small, but I was thinking that it would be like a really nice decoration to put inside a tray to make it look like there's tiny koi fishes swimming around in the tray. So I'm just trying to get it in. I want to see how the mold comes out. And it's okay if there's going to be some residue on top because I can easily sand that off. So that's pretty much it. And next day I'm taking it out. All right, next day, let's see how these little things turned out. First one, this one, gorgeous. Definitely gonna have to like fix the edges, but that's fine. I was thinking about putting this one on a journal front cover. So if you have like sharp edges, I like to take sanding thing, and this will easily sand it down so it doesn't stay too sharp on the top here. Or if you have any little excess, it will help to remove it. Fix those littles later. That came out really pretty. Let's see this baby koi fish. There's definitely some extras on the edges because I kind of spread it out. It's so tiny, so I'm a little scared. I didn't go all the way inside, but we'll see. Oh, whoa, it's super sharp. Oh no, I thought, I instantly thought there are bubbles in it, but it's actually just the mold, the fish, the fish texture. It's sharp, but it's not bending, so that's good. Then any extra like little ones here, this was from the top, I can cut with scissors very easy. So a little baby koi fish. It's all white, and then I can paint it if I want, but I just want to test out how this mold looks like. Very cute. Now let's see the big one. So I kind of put a lot in here, so You can see it's kind of puffing up, but hoping this turns out good. Look at that. Oh, looks good, looks good. Nice. And it's not coming off. The mica powder's not coming off. That's so good. Look at that. I made a koi fish. The little adjustment on these sides, but that's okay. Came out really good. Koi fish. Nice. Very cute, very cute. I need some eyes. But it looks really good. The white is very thick, not see-through at all. I love it. It's so cute. So this is what I do with leftover resins. Yeah, if you ever have like little bits left over, you have some little molds, use it up. And if you simply don't want to use it, and then you have some to throw away, I recommend to leave it inside if you have just like a little bit, because it's gonna be so much easier to remove this than clean it while it's still wet. So look, I don't normally leave the spoon in, but this is a wooden spoon, so I'm probably not gonna reuse it anyway, so I left it in. It's coming, and there you go. Extra resin that's so much easier to clean now. And I also have it in here, so you see the edges come off very easy, so I leave the big parts in there. There you go. See? Clean. So that was it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Like I said, if you have any little molds, they're very easy to find on Amazon. Always do some little extras with it. You never know when you can use it for a decoration.